Oh, that's good that you just woke up. Effie, hello. I think it's double size. It's not double size. It is a single size bed. It's for single because I'm single. Char! Single because I'm the one who sleep naman. Like one only. So it's single, right? Oh, I'll show you. Is that showing? I don't have rolling light today. Rammer, hello. Darrell, Rian, hello. Why you have Paki? Why you Paki? Char? Chips! How are you, Chips? Lately, bestie. Yes, bestie. Char. Rahul, hello. Your eyes amazed me. I'm so wow. Wow, what happened to your eyes that you amazed? Ano content natin, Bisaya? Mag-full dance tayo kasi wala akong signal. So, walang full dance. Diba? Ganyan yun. Mike, hello. Okay, we dating now. Okay, bestie. That's good. 142, hello. Eric Richard. Good, yeah, good. Ice cream yummy, ice cream good. Thank you, bestie. Looks good. Thank you, Leah. What are you doing now, Liam? You don't have work. Ay, napalala na yun. Lay mo na, Dilo. You don't have a work, Liam. B, nandiyan ka ba, B? Junelo, bakit hindi mo na ako pinakausap? Shit. Nameless. Rahul. Shh. DDD, how are you? Just lay down. Why you just lay down? Can I have your... No, I don't have that. I don't have that. I'm just... I'm not in social media po. Like, I don't like social media po because it's toxic in social media. I'm just, ano, like, calm girl. Ano ba to? Yeah, it's toxic po. I don't use social media. I use only Bigo because Bigo is not toxic. Char! Rahul, hello. I play the guitar while singing my song. Wow. You're so talented, huh? See you again soon. Thank you, bestie. See you again. You're just a talented person po. Pasaway, hello, Ling. Hi, Ling. Latest na iyong dating. Have you ever... No. Are you a host? Chuk, hello. One time, hello. Are you a host po? Grabe, hindi ka naman nagsasalita dyan. Cafe, hello. Barak. Putang katinaliit. Dora. Shoot. Dreams, hello. Don't look back in anger. Wow. That's your ano, like composition. Like it's your composition. Ah, okay. That's good po. 69 lover, hello. Leandro, boring. Ay, wala akong sound dito. Atay. Shit. Nasaan aking salamin? Piki, hello. Hi, Lawrence. Wala tayong sound dito. Dora. Name Malaysia 69. How are you? Shit. Saan aking... Para makaramdam ako ng ano. Be hello. Be happy. Carria, hello. Hi, Nasty. Ali. Thank you, Errol. Shit. Nice. Nawala na ano. Akala ko nawala. Shawi Princess Beefy from Alabasta. Please, Walter, why? Why Liam? Hello, we're 32 Silver Stallion, hello. Sakit. Master Right, hello. Solman, how are you, Solman? Luis, hello. Sayat ni puta. Ang kamot. Rafori, St. Peter. Uy, nandiyan ka pa ba, Bi? Nako. Oo, kakasakit mo. Kaya paghilot niyo gapon, I think. Machi, hello. How are you, Machi? Sakit ang kamot. Nice to see you again, pretty girl. Nice to see you again. Anong ginagawa mo, Bi? Alam mo, binaboboard ako dito, Bi, kasi wala akong sound. Ah, sige, adobo, wow. Real food hungry. Alejandro. You want food judgment? I want food too. Gaming. Hello, best to see you again. I see you again. Ilan taon ka? 28, hello. Ay, 28. 28. So nice. Thank you, Mr. Red. Hoy! Namakahi... Ha? What? Hindi. Hi, bestie. Thank you so much. Sulanto. Hi, Jolski. Hey, bestie. What are you doing, bestie? Lawrence, why you're the one? Wala tayong sound. Kilay? What's kilay po? Ano ko yung kilay ko? For 90, hello. Hi, Nameless. Sorry. Shit. Champ, hello. Ate, ano yan nakita ko?